Oh, yep. Oh no, what the hell's in there? Oh shoot. I caught some sort of fish or... Oh no. Don't rip up my neck. Yeah, dang shark. Oh. Dang it.
So that's what I'm going to need to repair to kind of get it somewhat working.
I think I see something right there. Oh my gosh, dude! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is the most fish I can't even lift the net. I gotta let some out. Like, look at this. This is psycho. Hey, we got bait, y'all.